Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hey, hi, I'm Roxy, Mad Bad Guy Roxy Tyrell. Let's go ahead and subscribe right there and join the crazy fam. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, what's up? What's poppin'? So today I'm doing a Shein Tryon haul, and if you guys want to see the pieces that I got, boo, keep watching. So all these items I got in a size small. And yeah, so let's go ahead, make sure you subscribe, like this video, go ahead and share the video with your family, you know what I'm saying? And go ahead and leave me a comment to see what other videos you guys want me to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so this is the first item that I will be showing you guys in today's haul. It's just this really cute red bucket hat. It has this little bunny on it. I really like it. It's, you know, cheap and whatever. You know, you can't really go wrong with these bucket hat off Shein. You know what I'm saying? Hey y'all, so this is the next one. It's just this really cute. When I say cute, boo, oh, I love this. I really really love this. This looks so good on the skin. Like, super cute. Oh, child. I love it. I will link these items down below, or I'll leave them and leave the prices on the screen or whatever. Yes, ma'am. So this is the next bucket hat. It's just this beautiful butterfly. I love it. Super cute. I did my makeup, y'all, and I'm feeling fabulous. Okay, I was gonna say fantastic, but yeah. Okay, so let's get started on the fun stuff. So the first clothing item or whatever is just this robe. It's like a dupe for the Victoria's Secret. Sorry, y'all. So yeah, as I was saying, it's a robe. So for some reason my phone keep cutting in and out, but this is the first piece of clothing. It's a dupe for the Victoria's Secret robe. This is what it looks like. I love it for like the summertime. You know, you don't want them thick winter robe because, you know, girl, it's hot as hell. So this right here is perfect. I do need to iron or probably steam it a little bit, a lot of it, but this is it, y'all. And FYI, my ring light is doing me a lot of justice because this girl don't look this flawless in real life. I'm lying. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. Is this really cute yellow two-piece sleepwear. They let me sleep, and it has the, this is so freaking cute, it has the eye closed with the lashes, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all, if y'all want to check out my lash situation, it's my niece and I company. Okay, so it's called Ro for Roxy, G for Glacia, so it's Ro G 876. Okay, so you can follow us on Instagram at roG.876, and also on Facebook, roG876 or roG.876. So yeah, and we will be giving away lashes also, you guys. Once I get situated and all of that, I will be doing some giveaways, so stay tuned, y'all. Make sure y'all follow us on our Instagram page and or Facebook page. So yeah, this is the next item. Beautiful two-piece yellow sleepwear. My God, this looks so good on my skin. Like, let me tell you, I'm only wearing colors that complements my skin. Okay, and this is doing me wonders, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. It's this really cute top. Let me see. So it's just this kind of grayish navy. I don't know what color this is, but it looks good. It's like a little fall color type of situation. Let me turn around. This is how it looks, y'all. This is super cute. I love it. Like, you could wear this with some high-waisted pants or whatever, shorts, you know what I'm saying? I love it. It looks super cute. I love it, no lie. But I got it in a size small. I think there's extra small on the website, so I could have went down to an extra small, but I mean, you can never go wrong. It fits okay, looks good on my body. So yeah, this is this item, y'all. Okay, that's not bad. So so I'm gonna show you guys this dress, but like when it was like out of the package, I'm like, oh hell no, this does not look good. But this looks so cute on me. See, I need to work on the abs now. Ooh, this is so freaking cute. You have a split right here, girl. It's like a statement piece. Ooh, who wanna take me on a date, baby? Take me on a mocking date. You could wear some clear heels with this or some nude heels with this, girl. We ready? Ooh, she have a little thing back there, boo-boo. Okay. Okay. It's cute. I don't care what nobody said. This is super cute, okay? And then this little split. Ooh, cha. Huh. Who taking me on a date? This is date ready, okay? It's cute. I like it. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. It's a really nice lounge piece. It's a white dress, clearly, with this really nice red trimming around this side. Obviously have this red heart right here. It's super cute, like lightweight and comfy. You know, you could wear it around the house, you know, wear it to sleep, cause or wear it on a Walmart run or a grocery shopping run or wherever. It's super cute and I like it. So if you guys are wondering what's in my hand, it's this remote that comes with my tripod. It's a Bluetooth. I connect it to my phone. So I'm using my phone right now. So when I start using my camera and actually figure out how to use my camera, I will get one that, you know, I could sync to my camera's Bluetooth. So yeah, I use it to record. I'm holding it down right now. It's recording, and if I want to take picture, I just take picture, and it do work for both Android and iOS devices. So yeah, and this was in a Shein also. I'll attach that sheet all up there in the cart and also put a little thing of it in the screen on the screen. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so you know me. If you know me, I'm a tomboy at heart. Always been, forever will be a tomboy. So you know, I got this in the men's section. It's just this orange t-shirt that say King. It has the white detailing on the sleeve and around the collar. The shorts, it's a black shorts with orange stripe, and it has King right here. Me personally, I'm gonna pair this with some Air Jordan 1s. The orange one, of course. I'm gonna take a picture with this and post it on the I'm gonna tilt the camera a little bit so y'all can see how it looks on. Oh, say what? Say what? Say what? This look dope. This is dope. Okay, y'all, so this item is this really tie-dye purple, yellow, blue, orange dress. It's super cute, super sexy. But yeah, this is what this looks like. I love it. It's a little bit short, okay? But it's cute or whatever. But yeah, I got this in a size small. The material is super soft. You see what I'm saying? I'm working on my abs, okay? And I'm going to document all of that stuff, okay? So if y'all want to check that out, stay tuned. Okay. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back. So I still got my bra on, but I'm gonna show you guys this one piece. It's the off the shoulder one piece. So yeah, it just got 3 butterflies up here. I don't know why. I normally take these stuff off, but yeah, this is what this looks like. It's super cute or whatever. I love it. I'm in love. Okay y'all, so this is the next one piece. Super cute. It is not cheeky at all. It do have cover, you know, it cover up your butt. But yeah, this is it. I really like it. It's super cute, and orange looks so good on my body, yada yada, you know what I'm saying? It's giving me life, giving me body, whatever. Okay sis, calm down. But yeah, you guys, so this is this. Super cute. See, I need to get some abs, y'all. What's up? Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. I do got my underwear on still, because listen, I'm trying to go. I'm not, leave me alone, okay? But yeah, this is the next item. It's not cheeky. It got cover to cover your booty, so I like that. But you know what, I'm a thong girl, so you know what I'm saying, I like, but that's not even here or there. So this is the next item. These items are super soft, no cap, okay? So yeah, I really like this. Super cute. Okay, guys, so this is the next item. This one is cheeky. It's cheeky back there, but yeah, this is this. Listen, I told y'all I built like a box curve, no little curve or no, but listen, that's gonna change. But yeah, I don't know what this is right here. I really don't know. It just say baby right here. But yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all the cheek. But yeah, it's a little bit cheeky. But yeah, this is this item, man. See how good the red look on my skin, boo? Okay, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the next piece. It's just this white and green dinosaur crop top. This is what it looks like. You could actually undo the buttons, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. It's really cute. I love it. Okay, you guys. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so I finally take the bra off because this thing right here is giving me life. Like, it's cute. The back, that's how the back is. I got this black skirt. Hold on. So I got this black skirt to kind of sort of go with it. It's like baby pin under thingamajiggy. I feel like if I fart, this thing for the night. I feel like if I fart, it gonna let loose. But this is what it looks like. It's just a black skirt, but you see what I'm talking about? I think I got it in a medium. I actually ordered this accidentally. So this is a small. I wish I got it. So the skirt was a small. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the next item on, and I'll be right back. Comes the man in black. Ooh, I like this. Okay, guys, so this is the next item. It's this really cute tie-dye orange dress. Oh, my nipples are poking out, but whatever. But this is it. I like it, clearly. I don't know, I have so much energy in this video. But whatever, boo. Whatever. I don't know what's wrong with me, y'all. But yeah. Hey, you guys, so this is the next item. No, it's a onesie. This one is super cheeky on the booty. It just say queen with bedazzles, a bedazzled with a bedazzled crown right here. It's tie right here, tie and whatever. It's super cute. It's soft. I like it. Yeah, super cute. Do you like it? I got a size small, so yeah, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I think I've seen this on Rihanna's page, Savage X Fenty, but it's a onesie lingerie. It's like super cheeky. It's like high cut, nipple showing, everything. Okay, it's super cute. It's super cute. I love it. But yeah, on Shein, I've seen a whole bunch of Rihanna's design on there. I'm like, why y'all doing that? Why y'all doing Bad Girl Riri like that? But yeah, it's cute or whatever. Okay, y'all, so this is the next item. I'm definitely putting emojis to block my nipples, but this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It's white, but I wish it was like a different color or whatever, like a yellow or orange. But yeah, it's super cute. This is supposed to be fixed in the back, but I ain't got time for all of that. Okay, you guys, so this is this item. I'm in a whole lot of energy. I have a whole lot of energy right now, boo. You feel me? I have a whole lot of energy right now, girl. So yeah. But this is the next thing. It's this two-piece. I got it in a size small. Has a bull flower here, boo boo, a little cute. Okay. And you also have a butterfly on the shorts also. It's a nice little, you know, loungewear. Me, I could put some sneakers on, like some white forces or something. Put this on, make this look good. You feel me? Yeah. You feel me? Put your forces on, boo. White. What's up? So yeah, I did put my Air Force Ones in white on, clearly. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Cute. It's a cute fit. What you think? Let me know down below. Okay. Honestly, I think I want to do like a sneaker haul. Ooh, like my sneaker collection. Huh? Ooh, yay! I think I'm gonna do that. That's look out for that video, y'all. So thank you guys for watching the video. Go ahead and like me and my niece lash company is called Roxy. I'm gonna put it on the screen and down in the description box. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook like page. So yeah, we will be doing giveaways, more than one. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for that and the information on that. Like the follow the Instagram page so you guys could see the 411. All right, bet. So I'll see you guys in the next video, you guys. Bye bye.